Replacing the battery on the Samsung A53 is relatively simple compared to many other modern smartphones. After watching this video, I believe you'll be confident enough to do it yourself. First, power off the phone. Prepare the magic self-heating pads and heat them for about 10 minutes. Use a blade to pry open a small gap, then insert a plastic pry card. Slide the card around the edges to loosen the adhesive. Once that's done, the back cover can be removed easily. Doesn't this seem almost as simple as replacing batteries in older phones? Many people wonder why modern phones don't come with removable batteries. The reason is tied to advancements in technology. Today's batteries have much larger capacities and longer lifespans compared to those in the past. By the time the battery degrades, other components in the phone are likely also aging. It's not uncommon for users to find that even with a new battery, the phone's usage time doesn't improve significantly. Since you'll likely only need to open the back cover every 2 to 3 years, designing a removable back just for this rare occasion isn't practical. With the back cover removed, unscrew all the Phillips screws. If your screwdriver has lost its magnetic strength, you can use a magnetizer to boost it. Gently lift the upper motherboard shield using tweezers. Then, use a plastic pry tool to disconnect the battery connector. Next, disconnect the main flex cable connecting the motherboard to the battery. Since this cable lies across the battery, we'll remove it to prevent any accidental damage while prying out the battery. Step 4. Remove the battery. Be careful during this step. Removing the battery isn't as simple as just pulling it out. It requires caution to avoid damage or even potential fire hazards. Drip a few drops of isopropyl alcohol under the battery to loosen the adhesive. Note, do not use water, as it won't dissolve the adhesive and might short-circuit the motherboard. Use a pry tool to find a small gap and begin prying carefully. If the plastic tool isn't strong enough, switch to a dedicated metal pry tool. Work gradually around the edges without applying too much force at once. This ensures the alcohol seeps in and effectively dissolves the adhesive. Once removed, you'll notice the adhesive is fully soaked. The isopropyl alcohol plays a critical role here. Clean off any leftover adhesive and apply the specialized foam adhesive tape to the battery compartment. Insert the new battery securely. Reconnect the main flex cable to the motherboard and press the connector firmly into place. Before sealing the phone, power it on and test functions like charging to ensure everything is working properly. If there's an issue, disconnect the battery and check if the flex cables are installed correctly. For the back cover, you can use foam adhesive tape similar to the one used for the battery, or apply B7000 glue. The main difference is that B7000 glue requires some time to cure, but it creates a tighter seal due to its flowability. And that's it. This is the complete process for replacing the battery in a Samsung A53. Did you learn how to do it? Let me know if you have any questions or feedback. Thanks for watching.